Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. First, let us look at the US markets. So, following the tradition, US markets are down. And I think yesterday, just for fun, I tweeted, day before yesterday, one day US market is up. That means in the next 3 or 4 days, it has to go down. Dow is down 10 out of last 12 trading sessions in the month of May. So that shows the severity. Yesterday, the Dow went very close to 33,000 and took some kind of a support. But I think I still feel that ultimately it will be broken. So the main issue in US is earlier it's usually retail sales data or consumer price inflation data and this and that. But now only one issue, that is US debt ceiling issue. So this US debt ceiling issue is not likely to find a solution anytime soon. Politicians are politicians all over the world. So remember in the last time, until the last minute, when I say last minute, literally last minute, they dragged the issue. And I think sometimes the US government was closed for more than 10 days. So usually US market is like this only. But Asian market, as usual, is mixed. Some are up, some are down. And Japan every day going up, okay, and Australia every day going down. So SGX Nifty indicating a slightly lower opening. That's because usually SGX Nifty follow the global cues. So, however, look at the local cues and FIAs. FIAs were net buyers in all the trading sessions in the month of May. And not only that, for the last 15 trading sessions, they are continuously net buyers. I don't remember when was the last time FIAs were continuously net buyers for 15 trading sessions. And with yesterday's buying, they have bought for more than 20,000 crores. So that shows FIA's faith in Indian markets. So therefore, at least in the short term, there might be some small corrections here and there triggered by domestic institutions profit booking. Say for example, yesterday HDFC Bank both turned ex-dividend and then profit booking came in Reliance. So that was only responsible for yesterday's market fall. Otherwise market would have been flat or slightly negative. So here and there might be some small corrections here and there like 80 to 100 points, but the underlying trend is still up, okay. And the only thing is that how long Indian market can go against the US markets in the opposite direction. But that is not a big worry because within the US also there is a divergency. Dow keeps on falling and Nasdaq keeps on moving higher. So Asian markets are also not following. So I think until this US debt ceiling issue is over, I think we will also be decoupling. So anyway, the run-up is so huge from 16,800 to 18,500 almost. So it is time to consolidate at least for a few days before resuming the rally. So if this is the repeat of last October, November, so Nifty should close somewhere around 18,500 to 18,600 this month. Then another attempt to break all-time high in the month of June, and then only some correction may happen. But I do not know whether the same thing can happen now or not. So Bharti Airtel came out with a decent set of results. So today that stock will be in focus. Today there are not many companies, key companies coming out with results. but tomorrow is more important, and because of State Bank of India and ITC. So ITC, it has seen a huge run up, and also now it is the 8th highest index heavyweight. So that's why ITC, Hindustan Unilever, so they all have come under top 10 index heavyweights. So overall, though SGX Nifty indicating slightly negative, but somehow my gut feeling says that we might move into the positive territory, at least during the trading session. So the reasons, though US markets were down, the US futures are slightly higher. That's one thing. And second thing, FIAs were net buyers. And number 3, yesterday's fall was just because of ex-dividend factor in HDFC Bank. So there's no reason to continue to fall. And last but not least, the FIAs are still pumping in huge amount of money. So all these indicate, positive things for our market. But yesterday it was just a profit booking. So once that profit booking is over, the markets may continue to move higher. So anyway, I'm still holding my view 18,000 to 18,500 for this series. So let us see what happens. And today is Wednesday. The markets are likely to be highly volatile. So, usually Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays are highly volatile. And Fridays and Mondays usually will be trending. So, yesterday, somehow I feel that last 1.5 hour fall was more than warranted. So, let us see that gets corrected. So, the most important thing, Nifty spot should close above 18,300 today for us to continue to be more optimistic. So let us see what happens, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.